guys, welcome back. This is Diana, your old friend. Today's video is about the common questions that our customers asked. Let's check it out.
Do you have any requirements as a distributor?
No special requirements as long as you want to cooperate with us. No matter how the company scale you have, you're always welcome to contact us. And we accept MOQ one piece. We can also help you get the products more quickly and get more profits.
Can I get a sample e-scooter? Is it free?
Yes, but it's not free. While we can accept to refund the extra sample cost while you purchase in bulk in the future.
Can I purchase the e-scooter in bulk from your US warehouses?
Yes, because we have prepared enough inventory in the US warehouse of California and New Jersey. You can purchase an e-scooter in bulk from any time from peak season to summer season.
What do I need to assemble when receiving it?
Normally, the e-scooter is 85% installed, only some simple parts left to be installed. Different models have slightly different parts to be installed.
Are there any instruction videos?
But you could find the installation video from our YouTube channel. Also, you could contact our sales team to find the right one.
If I want to customize e-scooters, what is the MOQ?
Actually, it depends on which part you want to customize. Normally, if you want to set up a mold, the MOQ is 30 pieces. If do not meet the MOQ, may need to pay extra for the mold.
Which parts can be customized?
The logo, frame color, spare parts for fenders and front and rear rack, and some other configurations like motor, handlebars, brakes, and etc. We can do customization for almost all the parts you want. And our engineer team is ready for you if you want to create a new product from 0 to 100%.
If I purchase one sample e-scooter, when can I get it?
We cooperate with express company and the delivery time normally takes 5 to 7 working days if you get from our US warehouses. If the model you want is out of stock and need to ship from our China factory, it normally takes 10 days by air shipping and 30 to 40 days by sea shipping.
Do you have overseas warehouses?
Yes, we have 4 overseas warehouses in the United States and Netherlands.
Can your US warehouse be used for distribution?
Yes, our warehouses can be used for distribution channels and dropshipping services.
If I buy in bulk, the price would be lower?
Yes, the more you buy, the lower the price will be. You can refer to our price list to see the different price rate. This can also protect our distributors and wholesalers' priority.
How long is the lead time for mass order?
It's about 15 to 30 days. The more the quantity you purchase, the earlier the lead time will be.
Can we adjust the speed limit by myself?
Yes, you can contact our sales team for the relevant instruction videos for different models. Our engineer team can also be online with you if any issues.
Can your e-scooter be shipped as accessories without assembling it?
Yes, we accept CKD shipment.
What is your warranty policy?
You can check our official website Linkseride.com for warranty policies. We offer 12 months warranty for the core components like motor, controller, and battery. And we offer 6 months warranty for the spare parts and accessories. We will provide free spare parts on our account within the warranty time due to the quality issue itself.
Any motor will be adjusted?
Yes, our sales team and engineer team is ready for your OEM requirements to adjust the motor power as you need.
What are your trade terms?
DDP, DDU, and FOB terms.
And how about the payment terms?
For the payment term, we need full payment for sample order. And if for bulk order, we need 30% deposit and 70% balance before loading. And we can accept TT wire transfer, PayPal, and LC payment.